Good morning, another day, another trip. And today we're going to make another walk out of this wonderful book, 50 walks around Zurich and the Zurichsee. And today we're going to walk around the Pfäffikersee. It should be a rather short walk of about 8 kilometers, which is okay because I got a kind of condition on my Achilles heel. And the weather is okay. It is not too hot, not too cold, and we certainly don't expect rain, so actually quite ideal circumstances. Thanks again for walking with me. So, and here we are starting our walk around the Pfäffikersee. It's a nature reserve, so unfortunately we need to keep the dog on a leash. Absolutely beautiful here. Beautiful landscape, nice walk. It's a very nice walk. The only problem is I'm not the only one enjoying it. It's like we're walking in a queue here. Seriously a disadvantage, but anyway, it's a good way to spend a Sunday afternoon. En hier gaan we naar Jucker-Erlebnishof. And here's the church at Zeegraven. So, it's a nice walk so far. But to be quite honest, this path is incredibly busy. It's forgiven with mountain bikers, people with baby strollers, traffic moving in both directions. Sometimes it's the nature of a semi-permanent traffic jam. But anyway, it's beautiful weather, it's beautiful nature, and walking is one of the best things to relax. So thank you for walking with me. Had ze een beetje angst, oder? Oh! Ah, komm mal. Was ist für eine?
Antibuche, Hund.
Ah ja, ja. Oh, das sieht doch lieb aus. Also not very convenient with dogs. Too many cars. So we're now entering Pfäffikersee. It's the beach of Pfäffikersee.